to our Honorable City Mayor, Ronald P. Aquino, sir. To our Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent Elmer Ragadio Osorio, sir. To our energetic Provincial Director, Police Senior Superintendent Eusebio Adamero Meo, sir. To the incoming COP, Police Superintendent Lope Maria Obadulin, sir. To the outgoing COP, Police Chief Inspector Peonio Leola Obong Jr., sir. To the senior officers, city officials, fellow officers, friends, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First, let me offer you all a warm welcome to this turnover ceremony. We are also pleased to specially welcome our Regional Director. Your coming is a source of great pride and encouragement to the men and women of this station. Thank you for being with us, sir. One of the unique traditions in the PNP service is an officer always comes and goes. This means that it is constant to every uniformed personnel to live, reassign, and explore for another history in this police service. In the long run, whatever endeavors and assignment we encounter, we as PNP members is bounded to the principle of serving and protecting the people. Once again, welcome to this turnover ceremony.